Google is preparing to introduce a groundbreaking AI-powered search experience. Dubbed AI Mode, this new system is designed to revolutionize how we find and interact with information online. Instead of simply displaying links, AI Mode will analyze and organize web content into meaningful, detailed answers. So, how exactly will this new approach transform the search experience? Let's take a look at what's changing with AI Mode. No more 10 blue links. Say goodbye to traditional search results. AI Mode will provide concise, AI-generated summaries, making information retrieval faster and more efficient. Powered by Google Gemini 2.0. This cutting-edge AI technology doesn't just generate answers, it scans, organizes, and structures information for you. Fewer ads, more information. Google aims to create a more user-friendly search experience, prioritizing content over advertisements. According to CEO Sundar Pichai, AI will completely transform Google Search, making 2025 a critical turning point for the company. The ultimate goal? Evolve beyond a search engine and become a fully functional AI-powered digital assistant. To stay ahead in the AI race, Google is investing a staggering $75 billion in AI development this year, solidifying its position as a leader in artificial intelligence innovation. What's next for search? With AI Mode, Google Search is undergoing a fundamental transformation. Will this evolution improve our digital experience, or could it disrupt the internet ecosystem as we know it? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Tech is evolving fast. Subscribe to keep up.